Right, that's it there. So what's that quality? It's not too great, but let's check it out, you know. Forward thrust. Forward.
Uh-oh. Oh.
Welcome to the channel. Are you looking for a drone? Is your budget around $50 or less? This might be the drone for you. Kind of looks like the Mavic Mini. Available at Walmart. It's the Voyage Aeronautics VA2320. It's got 720p video. Looks like it folds up. It's got a cool controller, and it streams video actually. So we're gonna check out that.
Stunt.
So I have everything all hooked up. I downloaded the app you're supposed to download. So I have the phone holder on there. Honestly, it's not the greatest thing. If you're careful with it, it's pretty solid. So first thing we do is turn our aircraft on. Settings, and we log into the drone. We use the password for it. And now we go into our app here. Now we can see what we're seeing. There, that's working like that. So we can actually see what we're seeing now. Alright, that's it there. So what's that quality? It's not too great, but okay. So let's check it out, you know. Now it's set up so it'll stay in one spot. So now we'll turn it around. Get it to video, I put my little SIM card, micro SIM card in. Goes right in the bottom like this. And this is going to record what the drone sees. And that's obviously better than what you can see streaming on your phone. Put the battery in. This is how I put it in, fully charged. Battery like this. A little plug up.
How windy is it today?
It's pretty windy, I'd say. That looks good. Now I'm gonna go record video. So it's actually recording now. So we're gonna recalibrate it. Now I turn this on. There's recalibrated. Here we go. Sitting in the wind, it's kind of just staying where it is. I'm just trying to fly it with this camera. Now I'll try the flip stunt feature. Oh god. So we had a little wipeout, and this is what the result is. see how easy it gets going again after that good solid wipeout. And
It got destroyed.
either the wind got it there, or the trim was all screwed up. So we're gonna try it again here. That could have been the wind over there. Doesn't really handle too much wind. Let's take it over here and let's see. I'm gonna go up this high. Let's do a stunt. Ready? Oh, there it did.